Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Uno. Yes, like the card game. And today I'm going to be reviewing the K2 Keychron mechanical keyboard. Whew, that's a lot of Ks. This is my first mechanical keyboard. I just built my first PC last week after being a long time Mac user. So I was on the market for a new keyboard. So the K2 is a wireless keyboard and you can connect it up to 3 different devices via Bluetooth. However, it also comes with a Type-C cable so you can use it plugged into your computer as well. If you're not a fan of having messy wires spread out all across your desk, you might prefer to take advantage of the Bluetooth feature. However, I'm a little old-fashioned, so I'm planning to use it plugged into my PC. I personally haven't tested the battery myself. However, according to the description, the K2 can last up to 72 hours on a single charge. That's impressive. It's compatible with all operating systems, and as you can see here, the keyboard comes with Mac Media keys on the very top. This enables you to use all the same keys on Mac's operating system, a super unique feature to the K2 Keychron. Extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows are included in the box, as well as a keycap puller tool. The K2 Keychron is a 10 keyless keyboard, which means that it doesn't come with a numbers pad on the side. And it has a 75% layout with 84 keys, making it a little smaller and more compact compared to the K4 keyboard, which has 100 keys. Here, let me actually measure it out for you. So it's about 12 inches long and 5 inches wide. It's about 1.5 inches tall with the legs propped up. And about 1 inch tall without the legs. Okay, cool. And this is what the K2 Keychron looks like compared to a human head, hand to scale. I do have small hands though, must just say. The keyboard also comes with 2 rubber flip-up feet on the bottom, so you can type at an angle for more comfort. So the K2 keyboard comes with 3 different switch options, the Gateron red, blue, and brown. I decided to go with the brown switches since this being my first mechanical keyboard, I didn't want something that was going to be super clicky like the blue switches, but I also didn't want to go with the quieter linear red switches, so I felt like the brown was a good in between. Here, let me actually type on it so you can hear what it sounds like. So I decided to buy the white LED backlight instead of the RGB lights because overall I prefer the simple single color white backlight to help when typing at night. I also think that it suits the gray, minimalist, muted color scheme of the keyboard a little better, and overall I'm just not a fan of having bright rainbow strobing lights darting around when I'm typing. You feel? So why did I decide to buy this keyboard? My first reason is actually because of the price. I bought this for around $75 off of Amazon, and since this being my first mechanical keyboard, I really wanted to keep my budget under $100 so I could experiment and see if I actually liked using mechanical keyboards. So one of the first few things that stuck out to me about this keyboard was actually the color scheme. So I found the gray muted tones along with the bright orange button on the top to be overall very aesthetic. I like. Another reason why I chose the K2 was because it only has 84 keys. Overall, I don't really have a need for a numbers pad, so I'd rather have the keyboard take up less space on my desk. And another reason as to why I decided to get this keyboard is because it has Mac Media keys on the top. As a longtime Mac user who just got a PC last week and is planning on using this keyboard on both her Mac and PC, I was looking for a keyboard that was a little bit more familiar to the types of keys that I was used to. Alright, so to wrap things up, I think that this is a great entry-level mechanical keyboard for first-time users like myself. You get to pick from 3 different Gateron switches, so you have options when it comes to your preferences on how clicky and responsive you want the keys to be. The K2 mechanical keyboard is compatible on both Macs and PCs, and it even comes with a unique Mac layout, making it perfect for users who want to use it with their MacBooks while still retaining their function keys. Overall, this is a great mechanical keyboard for you to use with both your Mac and PC, as well as any other digital devices you may have. Thank you so much again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks again.